Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to mark yourself offline on Facebook. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in Facebook. Now to mark yourself offline, first of all go to this message and over here you'll find this three dots option. Click on this. And over here you can find here its active status. You can see it's turned on. Just click on this and after that you can see you can just turn off from here. And that's it. It's done. Also if you want to be offline for few of your friends, just click on this active status off for some friends. Just click on this edit and over here you can select your friends to whom you want to be seen offline. I have selected this one and just click on this save. After this, just click on this save and after that you will be offline to the selected friends only. So in this way we can mark ourselves as offline on Facebook. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.